Emphasis occurs anytime an element or object is given dominance in an image. Photographers can use extreme close-ups to emphasize a subject, or can create emphasis by filling the picture plane with a repeated motif. But most of the time, photographers are emphasizing a focal point. A focal point is a point in the image where the viewer's eye is drawn. This element is usually different or contrasts with other parts of the artwork, and can be done by using color, particularly complementary colors like red popping out from green, or selective coloring, leaving one object in color and the background black and white. Extreme contrast in value, like dark silhouetted figures against a light background, or dark objects backlit by a light source, can create emphasis. Spotlights will help create low-key lighting. And leading lines can also be used to guide a viewer's eye to a focal point. Changes in texture, like water compared to fur, help emphasize the dog. Framing your focal point helps concentrate your viewer's gaze to a specific location. Selective focus, or shallow depth of field, blurs everything in the image, creating a clear focal point. And photographers can do this when they take the photo by adjusting their aperture settings, or they can use brushes in Lightroom to create this same effect. Playing with the scale of small objects can help emphasize their importance, while having a main subject out of focus can create a sense of mystery, emphasizing its importance as well. Using the rule of thirds, by placing your focal point at one of the cross sections of a 3x3 grid, can help emphasize the focal point. But so can ignoring the rule of thirds by placing the subject right in the middle. And any objects that are isolated will naturally be more emphasized. So know the subject matter that you want to showcase, and think about ways that you can use emphasis to help create focal points in your images.